This is free speed boost by PLDT. You can get up to twice the speed of your current plan nang walang bayad. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Good news para sa ating mga PLDT subscribers, naglabas ang PLDT ng update na pwedeng pabilisin yung current plan natin sa bahay nang walang bayad. May gagawin lang tayong simple steps online to take advantage of this free upgrade. And i-highlight ko lang, hindi ito fake news. Kung mapapansin nyo, nasa legit na page tayo ng PLDT Home. May check dito saying na blue certification badge confirms that this is an authentic page for this public figure. So sa kanila talaga tong page na to. And also sa mismong website nila na pldthome.com/fiber, andito rin yung free speed boost for all na current offer nila. Just to add, pwede nyo i-search online, just like what I'm doing right now. And marami nagsusupport na article about this free upgrade, like for Yugatech. Yeah, may Yugatech is a legit website, reliable to when it comes to recent updates, especially sa mga gadgets and other updates about digital or tech platforms. So yun, sinabi dito na PLDT has announced that they are currently rolling out free speed upgrades for home fiber subscribers. And ito siya, free upgrade, vary depending on the consumer's current plan. Subscribers who are under 6299 get 300 Mbps, that's from 250 Mbps. While 4299 subscribers will receive up to 150 Mbps, that is from 120 Mbps, and so on. Actually, ang plan namin is nag-fall under this, 1299. And from 5 Mbps, magiging 10 Mbps na siya. So, ita-check natin yan in this video. And isang article na ina-check natin, very quick lang, from unbox.ph, isa din to sa mga reliable website that you can check when it comes to updates about sa technologies or cell phones, something like that. It is owned by, I think, Mr. Carlo Ople. So, in-itemize na niya kung ano yung mga magiging changes from 5 Mbps, magiging 10 Mbps. Yung iba dito nagiging times 2, like for 2899 plan, times 2 yung speed connection mo, and also for this 1299 plan. For others, nadagdagan siya ng around 5 Mbps more. This one is 30 Mbps more, and this one is 50 Mbps more. So proceed tayo. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to boost your speed connection sa PLDT. Madali lang siyang gawin. First, check your email na pinadala ni PLDT. Ito yung na-receive kong email from them, and it came from noreply@pldthome.com. Always make sure sa email nyo, i-check nyo lagi yung sender dito. Make sure na tama yung domain, hindi ginaya lang, kasi pwede kayong ma-scam kapag hindi kayo nag-ingat sa mga binabasa nyo online or fina-follow nyo online. So this time, legit naman tong email na to, nanggaling talaga sa PLDT. And mag-scroll down ako. It says here na get up to double the speed from your existing PLDT Home Fiber Plan. Simply click on the button below to avail of the free upgrade. Kung wala ka pang nare-receive na email katulad nito from PLDT or wala ka pang nare-receive na text, you may still follow this process and see kung ma-upgrade ba yung account mo. Hindi ko kasi sure kung ang pag-upgrade nila is by batch, like certain location muna, kung isang area lang muna i-upgrade nila and then to follow na lang yung the rest, or certain group lang muna and then to follow na lang yung ibang mga group. Pero still, try mo i-follow tong process na to and see kung ma-upgrade yung speed or yung connection mo sa PLDT. And please, kung okay lang, please let us know kung na-upgrade nga yung connection mo even without the email by commenting below. And if I'll click this button, may redirect ako sa page na to. Pero kung itatype mo tong URL na to na pldt.com.ph/speedboost, mapupunta ka rin sa same page na katulad nito kung saan kinlik ko lang to from this button. And to begin, kailangan kong i-enter yung landline number ko dito. Since I'm from Metro Manila, kailangan may 8 sa unahan and yung area code. So let's say ang number ko is 253-1234. Kailangan meron ng number 8 sa unahan and then i-enter ko yung area code ko, which is 02. Ito yung dapat kong i-enter. If you're outside Metro Manila, yung usual number mo, let's say yun pa rin, 2531234, kailangan mo i-enter yung area code mo rito. I think sa Bulacan is 044, something like that. And nakalagay din naman yung guide dito sa taas, yung may double check yung ine-enter yung landline number. So, i-enter ko dito yung number ko. Again, for area code 02, 8 dapat for Metro Manila, and then my number. Binablur ko yung mga information ko dito for confidentiality and also for security purposes. Pwede kasing gayahin yung mga data natin ng mga scammers. And click submit button. And dapat mag-send sila ng code sa phone number na nakaregister sa account mo. So, mahalaga na updated yung mobile number mo sa PLDT. So, I'll click this submit button. And dapat may receive kang activation link sa PLDT after mo maklik yung submit button. And here's the email I received from PLDT. Galing siya sa PLDT Cares. And ito yung laman ng email. Almost there, click this link to validate your email. So I'll click this one. Congratulations, please expect your new speed to take effect within 24 hours. We will notify you as soon as this is completed. So, 24 hours daw mag-take effect. So, ang gagawin ko is, i-check ko yung speed connection ko. So, to check my connection, go to this link, speedtest.net, and I'll click this go. And also, there's another URL to check this. I think it's fast.com. Yeah. And it's also checking my current speed. So, i-double check ko kung almost pareho sila. And by the way, ang current plan ko ngayon sa PLDT is yung 1299. Nakaset siya na 5 Mbps lang. So here sa fast.com, ang current connection ko is naglalaro around 3.4 Mbps. So current, ang nakalagay dito is 1.6 Mbps. Ito dapat kasi yung i-check. So I'll click this go again to double check. And hihintayin ko na lang siya. So pabilisin ko na lang to. Fast forward and let's see. And later on, mag-i-speed test ulit ako. I-monitor ko siya for the next 24 hours. Dapat tumaas na siya as promised by PLDT. So, ang current speed ko by speedtest.net is 5.57. So, naglalaro nga doon yung current connection ko. Dapat later on, mas tumaas na to. Ilalagay ko rin siya sa video na to. So, after 24 hours, itetest ko na ulit yung connection ko sa PLDT. And let's see kung tumaas talaga yung speed connection ko. So, dalawa yung browser na naka-open dito. Sa isa, i-open ko tong speedtest.net. And sa isa naman is fast.com. So, ito nag-i-start na agad. So, for speedtest.net, I'll click go. So, sa fast.com, naglalaro sa 9.5. So, sa fast.com, nasa 8.3 Mbps ako. While for speedtest.net, nasa 9.51 yung speed ng connection ko. Fast forward ko lang, hintayin ko na ito matapos. And ito na siya. Finally, nag-increase na talaga yung Mbps ko. Nasa 9.51 yung assessment ni speedtest.net while kay fast.com nasa 8.3 Mbps. Malaking tulong tong speed boost ng PLDT. I am not sure if this is because of the competition, but regardless, thank you PLDT sa additional speed na libre. Sana magtuloy-tuloy to. Lalo na marami sa atin na necessity na ang internet connection sa bahay sa pag-accomplish ng daily task natin, like for freelancers, sa mga traders dyan online, sa mga nag-i-invest, sa mga students, employees, and all. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And you may also check these videos. I hope na makatulong to sa inyo. This is your options on how to grow your money online. And please don't forget to subscribe. This is Lulu from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.